All right, guys, we are super excited to be here today with Fetty and
Daniel.
his name is Uzi, actually. And we have a box. What's inside the box?
I don't know.
We never know these things. We're gonna free what's inside this box. We're gonna free it.
What?
Wait,
What in the
this?
world is Carmen's?
Wait a
There you
minute.
go. Wow, look at that.
Wow.
Dear Braille,
We're
thank you
home.
for having us at your spot. 6 wheels? WTF? We are huge fans of the show and want to say thanks. We hand drew this masterpiece. Love, Freeboard. Beautiful. I love it. It literally looks exact. Let me just try.
New trucks, who's this?
New trucks, who dis?
Self-correcting.
What?
Oh wait, look at that. It has like adjustments.
What'd you talk to me?
It is like that.
Wow, look at this. Freeboard. Freeboarding is extremely dangerous. You are responsible for your own safety. Use this product with extreme caution and at your own risk.
Look at these wheels.
How did they come up with this? It's sort of like snowboarding on the street.
What is this?
Brilliant, brilliant.
We need a board.
What is this?
Oh, wow. How does it work? How do we
Those are
live?
your footholds.
Okay, so basically we go like this, right?
You need to put this stuff on top first.
Hold
That
up.
looks like Survivor Man in this picture.
Oh my God, what's his name? Les Stroud?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's my hero. You know he thinks Bigfoot is real?
What do you mean thinks Bigfoot is real? Bigfoot is fully real, dude.
If Les Stroud thinks he's real, I think he's real. And also, there's a video he said when he heard one, he took a video picking weeds, right? Or like whatever he was picking. And he's like, I didn't get the camera like in time to like film what I was hearing. But if you look in that video where he said that, there's trees like moving in the background like super crazy. I feel like that gives some credit to what he was saying.
You never know what he's talking about, really. He just goes anywhere, just does anything. So how do I put this together? Normally we only use 2 hardware. Now we're gonna be using 6 hardware.
Snowboarding is to mountains as freeboarding is to freedom. I'm making sense of these
seriously wish
things.
there was a device that you could just grab something and just like plug it into somebody's heads and then it just projects their thoughts.
You wouldn't want this. It's complex thoughts mixed with circus music.
Freeboard is to skateboard as Les Stroud is to Bigfoot.
My mind is blown.
Allen key is to the hardware, but the hardware is to a Phillips head.
What? And such
Are we in the Twilight Zone right now?
life imitates art.
By the way, we have people that actually know what they're doing in this video. First time ever. So I'm doing okay. So I can put these on first.
Yes.
What's this piece for?
That's the spring.
Oh, I
That's the
see, I
drop.
see.
Yeah, yep. It's designed to keep the wheels straight,
That makes
so that when you
sense.
send a drop, the wheel's not sideways and you land and get wheel chatter. And
That's why it goes boing.
Wheel chatter. Daniel one time broke an egg and dumped it onto his counter,
True story.
thinking that he was going to make an egg. All right, I have 100% completely assembled one house and one freeboard. Let's go. Let's ride this thing. All right, guys, so we are very excited to have freeboard professionals in the Braille House today, the best in the world. Okay, so what this is it has 6 wheels, and these ones are higher off than those ones. So the idea with this is that it's basically like snowboarding. So you're riding, but then you can go sideways and slide like you would on a snowboard.
So the way that it's actually engineered, because it was engineered by a guy out of Stanford University in the late 90s, and he literally took the physics to snowboarding. So if you imagine a PTEX base, which can go in any direction, or you would say omnidirectional.
PTEX base?
Yeah, the
What does
snowboard.
that
So the
mean?
plastic base of a snowboard.
Oh,
So you
right.
could slide that on the ground.
Yeah,
And it can go in any direction. That's what this simulates,
I got it.
right? And then
So
your
that-
metal edges are right here on either side.
Yeah.
So you basically have your PTEX base and your metal edges. That's what a snowboard is.
So if you can snowboard, you should be able to do this.
Yeah.
No
and then
pressure.
your turning radius is adjusted with the bushing, right? So as this turns in, it creates an arc just like a snowboard would when you lean it and then the snowboard.
So they said that you can catch an edge like
Yes,
you can on a
yes, you can
snowboard.
catch an edge on this, yeah.
Did Gabe say, I'm out. And then this is a like some
This
crazy
is a new
prototype.
prototype. We're trying to get it closer to snowboarding. So when you stand on a snowboard, it's completely flat, right? So all of the wheels touch, but now this has independent suspension. So when you lean on one edge, the other side will actually come off of the ground. So that's more like snowboarding, and it feels more stable. So when you actually stand on it, it feels like you're standing on a longboard. And then when you lean on one edge, the outside edge comes off the ground to give you clearance to be able to slide.
Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm snowboarding! I'm so scared of catching an edge. I wish they wouldn't have told me and I could have just eaten it really hard. Oh! What I almost want to do is I wish I could take the bindings off and just have the board, right?
Does it feel like snowboarding?
Yeah. I mean, it's funny. If you go like right here and you're kind of on that side and you're just rolling like that, it feels like it. What I'm not used to on a snowboard is it's like so easy to go like that. And I think that this is the same, like it's easy, but for some reason, like it doesn't work mentally. Oh. Ah! Okay, let's let the real professionals actually do some real tricks in the Braille house. All right, you guys can go ham. Oh yeah.
Roll down the bank.
Down the bank? No way.
Oh,
No way.
Snowboarding master, let's go.
I don't know if you noticed, but there's no snow in here, Gabe.
There are rocks though.
Betty, try this.
That's like a snowboarding. Wow, this is just like snowboarding. That's what I look like in the snow.
What are you looking at here? The rail? He was like, oh, I just wanted to like warm up real fast. Let me go straight to the handrail. That was incredible. Just the slide looks so cool. Scariest bailing ever. How do you, it's like crazy. On a snowboard, I understand your feet, like they're in there, you're not going out no matter what. But this, oof. That's what you look like on a snowboard?
Yeah.
Freeboard, more than meets the eye.
That's not what I'm doing, but
What are you doing?
I don't know.
No.
Yeah, boy!
He was just outside telling me how he doesn't want to try this. And then he's... I think he's got it now.
Actually want to try it? Write it down there first. Are you crazy?
No, he's got it. Carlos, I know you can do it.
Carlos, R.I.P.
You know that he's got that.
The stairs are fixed, everybody. Wow.
That's my Carlos right there.
Like a true professional. Carlos, he can skate anything.
Show him.
I figured it out, Gabe. It's like snowboarding.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is wrong with that kid? What is something's wrong with him? Yes. He just said, whoa! Hey. It's funny because the way that they angle, I keep thinking that they're gonna hit the rail and then they don't. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Look at this madness.
Yeah.
Why are there still rocks here?
So crazy. I guess when you get used to it, you know, like when you're going to catch an edge, then it's fine, but like, woo, deadly.
Got up it.
Yeah, boy.
We're gonna figure it out.
Nailed it. That was a big gap. Ain't no joke. All right, Gabe, I got you. What? Come on, give it up for you. What?
That was pretty sick. That is reminiscent of Carlos being thrown into the wall and hitting his head.
I didn't think he could stop that fast.
He caught a graceful edge.
Yes, indeed. Hold on a sec. He's trying to manual?
I think so,
I
yeah.
don't think you can manual. What's that, one wheel?
More speed.
No. 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 That's my favorite part is when they just slide. I want them to just go fast and just slide. Danger, pure danger is happening, right?
Yeah.
I don't want to stand here.
That's not a knife. Great Scott!
I was making sure he was aimed for the ramp before
Yeah, but you never know.
prioritizing filming.
You never know.
I didn't really get that.
What were you filming? That was just like the Christmas tree again!
That scared me. I almost died from a heart attack.
Got that good lens. Let's go.
I got the safety lens.
The safety lens.
Safety lens. What you doing, Aaron?
There you go right there, Wang Danger.
You are dead.
I like pizza. Nailed that shot, yeah, boy.
You guys know that all too well.
Aaron, what is he doing up there?
Just a little bit more.
That was real cute, Carlos.
Wow, that was mind-blowingly incredible. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Check out all the other videos right there. You will have a blast watching all of those. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn how to skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com for everything you need.